Hello viewers, I am Satyanand. I welcome you all to the series of experiments in physics. In this particular experiment, we are verifying the laws of refraction. In refraction, the light ray is made to pass through different media. That means it has to pass through a different medium altogether when compared to the medium in which it was traveling earlier. That means invariably one has to have two media whose densities are different, like air and glass, air and water. Even in refraction, the light ray will follow certain rules. The rules are: number one, whenever a light ray is passing from the rarer medium to the denser medium, it bends towards the normal drawn at the point of incidence at the interface of the two media. And whenever the light ray is traveling from denser medium to the rarer medium, it bends away from the normal drawn at the point of incidence at the interface of the two media. We have to verify these rules and then we have to show the phenomena of refraction. In refraction, there is a change in the path of the light ray because the light travels with a different speed whenever it changes its medium. To perform this experiment, the apparatus required are the power supply to excite the lamp. This is the light source. This is the platform over which we are performing the experiment. This is the glass slab. It is a transparent one. By using this, one can observe refraction and we can also verify the laws of refraction. This is the glass slab and this is a transparent material. Transparent material is that material in which the light will pass through. This is the slit. The black portion of the slit is the opaque material through which light rays doesn't travel. And there is an opening. Only through this opening the light rays will travel. That means the light ray is going to be given the directionality. Making use of this, we can construct the angles or draw the perpendicular. We can do many things. As we all know, scale is the one which can be used to draw the straight lines. And this is the pencil. I had to make use of this to complete my experiment. The procedure is as follows. Connect the light source with the power supply. When you connect it, the lamp starts glowing to indicate that things are going in right direction. When I put the slit, the directionality to the beam is given. Let us observe the refraction phenomena which we have mentioned earlier. We have been telling that in refraction there is a shift in the path of the light ray. Let us see whether it is going to occur or not. When there is no transparent material in the path of the light ray is passing through from one point to the other in the straight line. I have made a point. From that point, light is passing through. Now, when I introduce the glass material in the path of the light ray, you will observe that the light ray is no longer passing through the point through which it was passing earlier. Instead, it has shifted its path and then traveling in a different path altogether. This is simply because when the light ray is traveling from air to glass, its velocity has changed. Because the velocity has changed, it has tried to take the minimum distance to get out of the glass slab. Now, after having observed this, we have to verify the laws. Let us trace the incident ray and the emergent ray. Before tracing it, let us draw the outline of the glass slab. Shall we start doing it? Yeah. I am drawing the outline of the glass slab. After having finished this, we have to trace the incident ray and the emergent ray. I have to put 2 points on the incident ray and make a small cross on it, and similarly the ray which is coming out also should be marked. After tracing the incident ray and the reflected ray, see, now the tracing of the incident ray, emergent ray is also over. We have drawn the outline of the glass slab. The experimental part is over. Now we have to do the rest. Marked on the incident ray and extend it to meet the glass slab at a particular point. Yes, it is meeting at a particular point. Similarly, join the points marked on the emergent ray and extend it towards the glass slab to meet at a particular point. Dotted line will represent the path of the light ray in the absence of the glass slab. Draw a perpendicular using a protractor where the light ray meets the glass slab. MM represents the perpendicular. Similarly, take the emergent ray and draw the perpendicular at the point of incidence. NN represents the perpendicular on the other side. To find out the refracted ray through the prism, join points P and Q. These are the point of incidence. When you join this gives the direction of the light ray in the glass slab. From this, it is clear whenever the light ray is traveling from rarer medium to the denser medium, it will be bending towards the normal drawn at the point of incidence, and vice versa when it travels from denser medium to the rarer medium. Hence, the laws of refraction are verified. Thank you very much.